Listen carefully to the story. Then, follow your teacher's instructions to read it again. City in the Sky. It's been a long 4 days on the Inca Trail. You have trekked through the hot jungle. You have zigzagged up and down huge green mountains. Many of your friends were sick as you crossed the highest point on the trail, over 4,200 meters above sea level. You passed through land called the Cloud Forest. It's called that because the trail is so high it passes through the clouds. On your 4th day of hiking, a clearing appears. You see what looks like a giant fortress floating in the clouds. It can't be. The clouds shift, and you see a city built of ancient stones at the top of the mountain. You have reached Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Inca. You wonder, how did this place get here? Your guide explains as you climb the terraces leading to the Inti Pungu, the Sun Gate, the entrance to Machu Picchu. As you wander around the site, your guide tells you it was built in 1450. That's when the Inca Empire was at its most powerful. Many buildings were made to observe the sun's movements. The Inca believed they could tie up the sun. On 2 days out of the year, the sun lines up directly above one special temple. This helped the Inca decide when to grow their food. They believed the gods showed them this method. You have to wonder if they knew the gods themselves. The guide explains that the Spanish invaded Peru shortly after Machu Picchu was built. The city's only 80 kilometers from Cusco, Peru's old capital, but the Spanish never found it. You can see why. You probably wouldn't find the way either without your trusty local guide. In fact, the city stayed hidden for hundreds of years. Locals showed it to foreigners again in 1911. A farmer showed the place to an American named Hiram Bingham. Hiram did not find any gold or gems there. Unlike the Spanish, he was not looking for treasure. He was an archaeologist, a scientist who studies old cultures. He thought the site itself was a treasure trove of history. The sun sets on the old stones of Machu Picchu. You wonder how such giant stones got here. Your guide tells you the Inca people didn't use wheels, which makes the construction of the city even more amazing. She goes on to explain that the Inca people were expert craftsmen. The stones fit perfectly on top of each other. But scientists still don't know how the Inca moved the huge stones into place. Even after almost 600 years, the walls look as if they were built yesterday. The last train leaves in just a few minutes. You look out at the view around you. The colors change from gold to red to blue. It was tough getting here, but you feel connected to this place. You feel as if you have heard a secret that was hidden from the world for hundreds of years. The train slowly chugs down the mountain. You know you will never forget the mysterious lost city of the Inca.
Okay, people, from 5th grade, we already heard the story of the city in the sky of the Inca people of Machu Picchu. I'm going to post a video so you can see what it looks like Machu Picchu, okay? So, first, you will have to read it again Read it like I did. Um, you are going to play the audio. Play the audio. You play the audio, and then you are going to read at the same time as the audio. Okay, the audio. It's been a long 4 days of the Incas, and you. It's been a long day of the. So you can see the writing and listen to the pronunciation. Yes, that's number one. Number two, excuse me. Okay, you're going to go to page number 47. Check your understanding, okay? And where it says check your understanding, you have to answer the question. For example, Machu Picchu has been included in the list of the 7 wonders of the world. What are some of the reasons you think made people include Machu Picchu on this list? Use details from the story. Okay, so Machu Picchu is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Yes, the 7 wonders. Why? You have to write there why, the explanation. Okay, and then it says if you were a guide on the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu, what would be the most important thing you want to share about the area and about the site? So here you're going to write down information you want to say, yes, of Machu Picchu and the city of the sky. Okay, so then you're going to go to page number 48 and 49. Okay, so you have to listen to the story again, and then you have to answer the questions. Sasquatch, Sasquatch. Hasta la próxima volta, and next time we're going to start preparing for the exam. Yes, yes.